Welcome to Discurso Tidbit News, your quick guide to clear perspectives and insightful stories. And for our entertainment news this evening, Ian Glen joins Filipino historical film Quezon. Game of Thrones star Ian Glen will portray Leonard Wood in the biopic Quezon, directed by Gerald Tarog. Glen joins Jericho Rosales, who plays President Manuel L. Quezon. The film is backed by TBA Studios, the NCCA, the FDCP, Department of Tourism, and Q Cinema. Glen's role highlights Wood's involvement in Quezon's fight for Philippine independence. Tarog says Glen brings the film to life, while producers tout it as one of the country's biggest productions. And for our next news, BTS J-Hope to release new single Mona Lisa. J-Hope will drop Mona Lisa on March 21, Big Hit Music announced. The hip-hop and R&B track was first performed at his New York concert and is inspired by the famous painting. It follows his collaboration with Miguel. The rapper is currently on his Hope on the Stage tour with a Manila stop in April. BTS is expected to regroup fully in 2025 after completing military service. And for our last news, Ginebra ties series versus TNT in Game 2. Ginebra escaped with a nail-biting 71-70 win over TNT in Game 2 of the PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals. TNT import Ronde Hollis Jefferson missed a potential game winner with seconds left despite leading his team with 25 points. Scotty Thompson grabbed a key rebound for Ginebra but almost turned it over before TNT's final attempt. The series is now tied at 1-1 with Game 3 tipping off Wednesday at Phil Sports Arena. Both teams aim to break the deadlock in this intense final showdown. And that is all for the news. Keep an eye on Discurso Tidbit News, your quick guide to clear perspectives and insightful stories.